Cebu Pacific welcomes you to Boracay Airport in Caticlan.
Hi friends! Welcome to another travel vlog. In this episode, let me take you to Boracay, Philippines.
Making all the same mistakes that I made when I was 16.
Estimated flight duration from Manila to Boracay is at least an hour. We presented our OHDCs and valid IDs at the airport counter before heading to the Jetty port terminal. From the port, we rode a boat bound for Boracay Island. All our transfers from the airport to the Jetty port up to our hotel in Boracay were all under Island Star Express, which we booked via Klook.
Could you replay this again? I left so many memories.
Finally, we dined at Aria, which offers great pasta, pizza, and gelato.
College with a loan that you're never gonna pay off.
See you on my next vlog!
I'm running out of feelings and reasons to get up in the morning. I'm dreaming, but it all turns to nightmares. And I'm scared I might not wake up.
Lahat? Ang bilis.
To grow up not knowing how to do anything right. I think dreams when I was 17 would have tried and I just don't think I will ever figure out how to live life. How to live life.
Thanks for watching!